Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something crispy, spicy and super satisfying. It's our aloo patty. Simple ingredients, big flavors. So let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Let them saute for a few seconds. Next, add half a cup of shredded cabbage and half a cup of grated carrot. Cook for just 1 minute. We want to keep the crunch. Now add 2 tablespoons of capsicum, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of red chilli sauce. Season with half a teaspoon each of pepper powder, chili flakes and salt. Cook this for 2 more minutes, then turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down completely. Always cool your filling before stuffing. Hot fillings can break the potato layer while frying. Once it's cool, grate in 1 boiled egg and mix well. This gives the filling a soft, rich texture, perfect for patties. Now for the potato layer, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything together to form a smooth dough. Take some of the potato mixture and roll the mixture with a roller. And add a spoonful of the egg veggie mix in the center. Fold and shape it gently into a patty. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top for a little extra crunch and visual appeal. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Fry the patties on medium heat until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. These patties are loaded with veggies, protein from the egg, and can be pan fried or air fried for a lighter option. So that's our delicious aloo patty, perfect for evening snacks or lunchbox treats. Would you like to try it with paneer or mushroom next time? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy, creative and tasty recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, keep cooking and spreading the love.